Hi guys, welcome to my channel 365 Days of Shakespeare. I thought I'd retry yesterday's monologue where I was actually a bit drunk and try and do it again today, not being drunk but playing drunk, because it is Sir Toby Belch from Twelfth Night who is always drunk in the play. See what you think, let me know in the comments, subscribe and like, etc. Confine? I'll confine myself no finer than I am. These clothes are good enough to drink in, and so be these boots too, and they be not. Let them hang themselves in their own straps. With drinking health to my niece, I'll drink to her as long as there is passage in my throat and drink in Illyria. He's a coward and a coistrel that will not drink to my niece till his brains turn to the toe like a parish top. What? Wench! Castellano Valgo! Oh! For here comes Sir Andrew Ague-Face!